you learned through your program?
Well, I've learned thus far that paying our bills on time is managing our credit limit is the key and essential to getting our scores better, and looks good on paper when someone is reviewing our credit.
Can you tell us more about the results that you received?
Well, thus far, I'm so excited. After I came here, literally, I came here one day, literally just depressed, down, knocked out, wasn't happy with the way things were going. I've tried other companies before, and that was a disappointment. I'd paid thousands of dollars out to get my this credit fixed, and I didn't see any result. Came to you guys and actually met Mr. Brown. And looking at it a couple months later, over 60% of the negativity has been removed from my credit. That's great news. Really, really impressed with you guys' service. The only word I can use to describe the team here is exceptional.
Okay, thank you so much.